So we're up here in the Lyngen Alps, which is a zone up in northern Norway. It's about a couple hundred kilometers past the Arctic Circle, and it's a system of fjords that stretches out up into the Arctic. And the reason we chose to come to Norway was a couple of years ago I went on an expedition, a snowboard backcountry expedition in Iceland, and I just fell in love with that area. And I wanted to further get around in like Scandinavia and explore more of these areas I've heard about and some of the mountains I've seen. And so that's why we chose to come to this area. We knew that coming this late in the season, we arrived at the end of April, and we are here for a couple weeks through mid-May. We would encounter nearly 24 hours worth of daylight, which would give us perfect time to figure out the mountains, to go out every single day and climb at all hours of the day or night to get in as many summit attempts as we wanted, as well as to snowboard down them and really get a feel for this region. So I came here to Norway with a crew of skiers that I really wanted to work with, and it made for a great expedition. We have Andrew Meehan, who is a professional action sports photographer and videographer, as well as Chloe Vance, who she runs a nonprofit organization up in Canada called Connected in Motion. It's for people with type 1 diabetes, as well as she is a type 1, as well as another person named Cassie Davis, who has type 1 diabetes. I met her at a snowboarding competition this year in Sun Valley and is doing amazing things. And so in addition to that, of course, bringing my wife to really keep things in line, especially for me, just because I get so excited being in these areas. So it's nice to have that balance. But we've had a great team. We've spent 2 weeks here in Norway just exploring all the fjords and climbing at all hours of the night to go and ski.